Okay, we're going to start down here in the playroom, and this is basically the messiest room in the house at all times. Here we have Jason and Jacob. Say hi.
Hi.
Hey Jason, you want to get a picture of me? You want to hold it? Say hi. Hi. Thank you, Jason. Alright, yeah. Messy room. You don't get to see the wonderful colored walls that they used to have. Nate spent 2 days scrubbing them, getting all the color off. So, I'm going to head up the stairs. This is in the basement, actually. We have our storage room and our office / extra storage room over there. And we have another bathroom there, but it's the cat's room, and it stinks, so I'm not going to show you that. Okay, now we're going up the stairs. Here we have the door that goes to the garage. We have our laundry room, and back there is another bathroom. I'm not going to show you because it's a mess. Here is our family room where we spend most of the time. Here's Nathan. Nathan, hi. You say hi? Watching Dora. We got our family room here. Is the baby station, our swings and changing table, and back here is our backyard. Here's Sam. Hi Sam. Sit. Sit. Sam, sit. Sit. Good boy. There's Sam, and here's our little backyard. We've got a shed over there and an RV pad, and so we've got our nice patio here, and then a tiny patch of grass over there, and my garden. Oh, it's okay, Nathan. Okay. Thank you, little guy. Okay. Now, we go up to the kitchen, and I warn you, my house is normally not this clean. Did it just for you guys. We got our dining area. My nice kitchen, which is what sold me on the house. Nice big kitchen. And my computer. The one downstairs in the family room is the boys' computer. This is my computer. I spend my time chatting with you ladies. What, Jacob?
I love you.
I love you too. And we'll go in here to the living room where we've got a crying baby. Here's my living room. Entryway. Couches. And here's my cute babies. We've got Caleb. Hi, Caleb, baby. Here's Isaac. Hey, little man. Yeah. There you go. Are you going to take his binky, honey? Got him sitting there, resting. Okay, now we're going to go upstairs. You going to show us around, Jakey?
What?
You going to show me where we are? Okay, what's in here? What's this room?
Oh, well.
Yeah, this is Jason and Jacob's bedroom. You notice there's not really much in it except for beds, because we pretty much use this just for sleeping. That's what we have the playroom for. And the closet where their dresser and clothes are. Got all Jason's sight words on the wall for him to practice. Okay.
Not this one.
Now we're going in here. This is Nathan's room and the guest room. Got Nathan's little bed and our guest bed. Got 2 closets in here. Okay, Jacob.
Now we gotta get your
And this is our hall bathroom, the boys' bathroom. Won't give you too close of a look because it's a mess. And here's my bedroom. Hey, off the bed, honey. Got my bed and the baby's crib, and a glider, and some blankets. And this is the master bathroom. Also won't let you look too close because it's pretty messy. Silly boys. And we've got my walk-in closet. You can see that Nate has twice as much clothes as I do. That's the baby's dresser there. Okay, stop. This is view out my window into all our neighbors. We can go back downstairs so you can see our front yard. Boys, will you turn out all the lights? Turn out the lights. Jacob, stop that. And this is our front yard out here. And you can see over there across the street is where Jason goes to school. And that's everything.